Differentiate x raised to 5 into root x plus 6 by 2x minus 3 the whole square. So how to do this? Take it as y. Y is equal to x raised to 5 into root of x plus 6 by 2x minus 3 the whole square. Now taking logarithm. Log y is equal to log x raised to 5 plus log root x plus 6. You have to apply logarithm properties. Minus log 2x minus 3 the whole square. So this is what 5 log x plus half log x plus 6 minus 2 log 2x minus 3. Now you differentiate 1 by y into log y derivative is 1 by y. Wherever you are differentiating y, you have to substitute dy by dx. 5 into log x derivative is what? 1 by x plus half into log x plus 6 1 by x plus 6 minus 2 into log 2x minus 3 derivative is 1 by 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3 derivative is what? 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y into 5 by x plus 1 by 2 into x plus 6 minus 4 by 2x minus 3. So, but instead of y, you have to write what? This. Then it will be the final answer. And next, differentiate root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4. So, take it as y. So, take log y is equal to log root is actually what? X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 the whole raised to half. So that is equal to half log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 plus log x minus 3 plus log x minus 4. Now differentiating 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 log x minus 1 derivative is 1 by x minus 1. Log x minus 2 derivative is 1 by x minus 2. Log x minus 3 derivative is 1 by x minus 3. Log x minus 4 derivative is 1 by x minus 4. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y by 2 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 4. What is y? Y you substitute. What is y? Root of x minus 1 into root of x minus 2 into root of x minus 3 into root of x minus 4 by 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 by 2 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 4. This is the answer. Next, y is equal to sin x sin 2x sin 3x sin 4x. So log y is equal to what do you log sin x plus log sin 2x plus log sin 3x plus log sin 4x. Now differentiating 1 by y into dy by dx. Log sin x derivative is what? 1 by sin x. Sin x derivative is what? Cos x. Log sin 2x derivative is what? 1 by sin 2x. Sin 2x derivative is cos 2x into 2 plus log sin 3x is 1 by sin 3x Sin 3x derivative is cos 3x into 3 plus log sin 4x is what? 1 by sin 4x into sin 4x derivative is what? Cos 4x into 4. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y into cot x plus 2 cot 2x plus 3 cot 3x plus 4 cot 4x. Then substitute y. What is y? Y is what? Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, sin 4x. Now, another question. Differentiate sin x raised to x plus x raised to sin x plus sin x raised to x. So as you take it as order, this is a first type of problem. U plus V plus W. Then what is dy by dx? Du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. Now what is u? U is equal to sin x raised to x. Now what is log u? X log sin x. Then differentiating means what you are getting? 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, differentiating means 1 by u into du by dx is equal to x into log sin x is what? 1 by sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x plus log sin x into x derivative is 1. Therefore, du by dx is equal to u into x cot x plus log sin x. What is our u? U is sin x raised to x into x cot x plus log sin x. This is our du by dx. Now what is v? V is equal to x raised to sin x. So what is log v? Sin x into log x. Now differentiating means 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to sin x into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into sin x derivative is cos x. dv by dx is equal to v into sin x by x plus log x into sin x derivative is what? Cos x. V is what actually? X raised to sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x. Now our W is what? Sin x raised to x. This is not like in the previous steps. Take dw by dx is what? Sin x raised to x derivative is cos x raised to x into what is the function inside x raised to x. So d by dx of x raised to x. Now separately find out d by dx of x raised to x. Z is equal to x raised to x. What is log z? X log x. So 1 by z into dz by dx is equal to x into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into x derivative is 1. So dz by dx is equal to z into 1 plus log x. What is our z? Z is x raised to x. So x raised to x into 1 plus log x. So this is our answer, cos x raised to x into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. This is our dw by dx. Now what is dy by dx now? dy by dx is equal to what are du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. You have to write this all these three expressions, then you will get the final answer. Now, differentiate x raised to x raised to x raised to etc. So, what are you take it as y is equal to x raised to x raised to x raised to etc. So, that is equal to what? This is also what? Y. So, y is equal to what? X raised to y. Taking logarithm means log y is equal to what? Y log x. Now, differentiating means log y derivative is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to y into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into y derivative is dy by dx. Now collect dy by dx term together. Dy by dx into 1 by y minus log x is equal to y by x. Y by x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y by x by 1 by y minus log x. So that we can write a y squared by x into 1 minus y log x. This is the answer. Now some homework. Differentiate with respect to x or find dy by dx. First question, x raised to cos x plus cos x raised to x plus cos x raised to x. Tan x the whole raised to y is equal to tan y the whole raised to x. X raised to y is equal to e raised to y minus x. For x raised to 7 y raised to 5 is equal to x plus y the whole raised to 12. 5. X cube into cube root of x plus 7 by 4 minus x the whole raised to 9. Cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x into cos 4x. Question number 7. Root of 1 minus x into 2 minus x into 3 minus x into 4 minus x. Question number 8. Cos x the whole raised to y is equal to cos y the whole raised to x.